The Ford Edge from 2015 to 2022 uses a 5-digit Securicode keypad for keyless entry. Here's how to retrieve a forgotten code. First, try the ignition method. Insert your key, turn to on without starting the engine, and rapidly press the unlock button on your key fob 3 times. The code should appear on the instrument cluster display. Alternatively, for models with an AM/FM radio, turn the ignition to ACC, hold the 1 and 6 preset buttons for 3 seconds, then enter the factory code, usually 12345 or 00000. The keypad code will then be displayed. For 2021 to 2022 models with Sync 4, use the Ford Pass app after authenticating. If these methods fail, a Ford dealer can retrieve or reset the code using specialized tools. Note, for older models 2015-2020 that haven't received firmware updates, be aware of potential security vulnerabilities and consider professional reprogramming to prevent unauthorized access. While convenient, the Securicode system has faced security concerns. Ford issued a recall for 2015-2020 Edges to address vulnerabilities like brute force attacks, so ensure your vehicle has received the update. Ford is shifting towards digital vehicle access, phasing out physical keypads in newer models in favor of smartphone-based entry via Ford Pass Connect. This transition reduces physical vulnerabilities but raises data privacy concerns. Security experts recommend enabling two-factor authentication in Ford Pass. Future trends point towards biometric entry systems, like fingerprint recognition, completely replacing keypads. Remember to prioritize legal and ethical use of the Securicode system and consult official Ford resources or a dealer for specific vehicle issues.